Cellphonetracks.net.
Hey! Cellphone. You know what time it is, man. Kill a nigga quickly if you fucking with my nigga T. Kill a nigga quickly if you fucking with that STD. Kill a nigga quickly if you fucking with that double D. Word on the street.
Cellphone got plenty.
The click, get it guap, we ain't worried about the lamb. Ruin and bought the beats, now we switching up the cam. I keep my guard up because I'm liquor plated hard, and if I lift my arms up, then all you smell is white corn. I'm so intuition, I'm so into mission. In the kitchen cooking dog with the sagging britches, got 5 chicks to dump, and I'm dolo, throw down, and I smash them. So I got one more. Nigga, tell your boy that she ain't gotta get mad. He's all on my swag with a man looking ass. I heard them fools snitching. If they corresponding, it'd be easy for you to get in, but hard for you to fund it. Now tell me something that I don't know, cause I get this shit jumping. If he going ham, I'm on my bacon egg Kill a nigga quickly if you fucking with my nigga Chief. Kill a nigga quickly if you fucking with that STD. Kill a nigga quickly if you fucking with that double D. Word on the street, Cellphone got plenty. Kill a nigga quickly if you fucking with my nigga Chief. Kill a nigga quickly if you fucking with that STD. Kill a nigga quickly if you fucking with that double D. Word on the street,
Cellphone got plenty heat.
I meet a lot of girls and we have a lot of fun. I meet a chick from Tampa, but we call her the tampon. Cellphone capable, ride down 80 fool, pull your ass up like a girl. Maple, what you mean? I'm on my way. Maybe fool hanging out the roof like some Mexicans. 80 dudes, I'm all in your face, so I know it's necessary, man. I keep it two-tone like black and burgundy. They didn't know that I can do it. I wish they knew what he was drinking. It was like I was thirsty. Bang like bang door, creep like creep door. Shooting that flame door, I come back for more. Big word, use up. Tell it I bruise up. Drop a fly track. If they never hear from kill a nigga quickly if you fucking with my nigga Chief. Kill a nigga quickly if you fucking with that STD. Kill a nigga quickly if you fucking with that double D. Word on the street, Cellphone got plenty heat. Kill a nigga quickly if you fucking with my nigga Chief. Kill a nigga quickly if you fucking with that STD. Kill a nigga quickly if you fucking with that double D. Word on the street,
Cellphone got plenty heat.
Right back, they ain't got enough.
See how it works? It's that power with us together, though.
Yeah.
What's happening?
Nobody else. Fuck that is us.
I said, what's happening?
That's what I said.
What's happening? Hey, let them know. Talk to somebody. Yeah, Mr. Duck Diamond in the building, man. Alias, Chief X, yeah. Mr. Dub D, yeah. Pimp T, yeah. Cellphone Shawty, yeah. Trap, yeah. And I can only give y'all what you asked for. You know what I'm saying? I came in the game young, grew up from the struggle. Never had nothing to get a little something. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing that you can tell me that I don't already know. But we still learn stuff new every day. So what is you saying? That's why I'm just gonna give y'all me. As I dedicate to y'all, me, myself personally, Cellphone Shawty, certified lyrical. Certified. You know what I'm saying? So y'all just sit back and enjoy yourself, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and have yourself a good time. All right, yourself a wonderful time. Let's go. Hey. I came in the game, loving the smell of cash, started selling something that had you pulling through a fiberglass. I realized that wasn't cool, so I had another hustle. started selling marijuana just to bust a second bubble. Got in trouble with the law, and this is not what's up. I made a phone call to moms, and she picking up. Her little man is 11 to 12, acting a straight fool. Boy, you in the 7 or 8, breaking the damn rule. So I had to sit to myself, think about my intuition, knowing I got plans and goals. I'm on another mission. Moms and pops in the house tripping, they on some other stuff. Dad acting hot in the shed, I'm about to cool them up. Mind moving so cool, smooth, just like some brand new rollers. And I didn't have to join the army to show America I'm a soldier. Mind moving so cool, smooth, just like some brand new rollers. And I didn't have to join the army to show America I'm a soldier. I remember love, I just don't know what to say. Relieve myself from love right now and just stick to the paper chase. I remember love, I just don't know what to say. Relieve myself from love right now and just stick to the paper chase. Mind over money, man. Mind over money.
What's up? Who you think you're talking to? Y'all happy in your new house? I asked you, is y'all happy in your new house? Who play?
That's what I'm talking about. Them, nigga. Mind over money. That's what we do. Big pay 100, big pay 50, big pay 20, big pay 10 and 5. We do it all, man. As long as you get them green guys. That's what I'm talking about. Go up with nothing. You have a little something in your pocket. Keep going forward. Never give up. Never. That's why I dedicate to y'all. Cellphone Shawty. Certified lyric. Like it, love it, or kill yourself. Believe that. And I'm out of here. Dude ain't poppin', we outta here. We outta here. We outta here. We outta here. Now if the chick ain't working, if the chick ain't twerking, if the dude ain't rockin', if the dude ain't poppin', we outta here. We outta here. We outta here. We outta here. She said it was an all-night flight. Stand on getting our freak on. She said you can stay. I said, girl, I'm getting the hell on. I have been fun with y'all, but I'm still in my ozone trying to get my paper straight. So I continue to prolong in this 10:30 sharp. She like, boy, you is so late. I'm looking at little mama like, y'all will be okay. I started out with a shot. I end up with a fifth. It got me about ready to get up out of here. Back to the paper. You know how I am. I don't give a hot diggity to the damn. Back to the paper, cause you know how I am. I don't give a hot diggity to the damn. If the chick ain't working, if the chick ain't twerking, if the dude ain't rocking, if the dude ain't popping, we outta here. We outta here. We outta here. We outta here. Now if the chick ain't working, if the chick ain't twerking, if the dude ain't rocking, if the dude ain't popping, we outta here. We outta here. We outta here. We outta here. I'm knowing that when I meet you, I'm positive when I greet you, certified to say your picture, lock it in, so on the leash. I'm serious about my business, I'm serious about my money. It's a Cellphone Shawty, ain't a damn thing but I'm serious about my business, you serious about your money, never miss business for pleasure, that's a lesson learned, honey. 11 o'clock sharp, she said, boy, you is so late. I'm looking at her house, I'm like, girl, it is so fake. Got me about ready to get up out of here, cause I thought I would've shot, and I ended up with a fifth. Back to the money, you know how I am. twerking, if the dude ain't rocking, if the dude ain't popping, we out of here. We out of here. We out of here. We out of here. Now if the chick ain't working, if the chick ain't twerking, if the dude ain't rocking, if the dude ain't popping, we out of here. We out of here. We out of here. We out of here. If the chick ain't working, then that chick ain't working. If that dude ain't rocking, then that dude ain't popping. I'm gone, and I'm gone, and I'm gone, and I'm gone. 'Cause if that chick ain't rocking, then that chick ain't popping. If that dude ain't working, then that dude ain't working. I'm gone, I'm gone, I'm gone, I'm gone. 'Cause if that chick ain't rocking, then that chick ain't popping. If that dude ain't working, then that dude ain't working. I'm gone, I'm gone, I'm gone, I'm gone. If the chick ain't working, if the chick ain't twerking, if the dude ain't rocking, if the dude ain't popping, we outta here. We outta here. We outta here. We outta here. Now if the chick ain't working, if the chick ain't twerking, if the dude ain't rocking, if the dude ain't popping, we outta here. We outta here. We outta here. We outta here. Cause tonight, girl. Tonight, baby. Cause tonight, girl. We can ride. I'm waiting on you. We can ride, girl. Hey. We can ride. Show for take us everywhere. Sissy playing hard to get on, guess she hard or not. She just don't know she about to get fried like some tater tots. Cornbread and stuff, what about the muffins? Chest all thick, looking like Todd Duffy. Baby, worry about me. It is hard when my back pocket. Extra deep, moving something, you knowing that it's exotic. Tell the truth, cause I'll be home in the day. Wasting no time when I get there making love in the hallway. We in the party, we just eating our mind. We having a full cycle, jet lead time, we moving fast. Fast. She said she like the way we pull up. And when it's time to leave, they be wanna leave with us. Shawty stare like she wanna take a picture. Private to gold off a liquor. She with her homegirls and they deep, oh, in the club feeling good while it lasts. Looking at Shawty like that. She dancing on me, all on me, on me, yeah. All on me, yeah. All on me, all on me, all on me, yeah. Hey. The black chick I dance with, she is boring. The mixed chick I drink with, she stay horny. The Migo chick I kick it with, sometimes she get boring. The Italian girl I drive with, she down with extortion. I have bottom girls running slow just like a candlestick. My computer software, they calling me an analyst. The fight with the kickstand got me knocking off your bed. Said some soccer girls in here with some super thick legs. In the club, super sharp. What's up, Zelda? Crunker than the Delta, Alpha, and Omega. And one thing about me, I hate people that boring, but I love gorgeous chick that put that F in foreign. Woo! Shawty stare like she wanna take a picture. Private to gold off a liquor. She with her homegirls and they deep, oh, in the club feeling good while it lasts. Looking at Shawty like that. She dancing on me, all on me, oh, yeah. All on me, yeah. All on me, all on me, all on me, yeah. Cellphone, sell it. Bow. Sell it, baby, dog. You already know what time it is, man. I'm all up in your shit, nigga. Boy. Cellphone in your face, that's what I'm talking about. Stay away from the case, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I got money to make, that's what I'm talking about. Man, fuck the cricket DA, that's what I'm talking about. Don't have no love for you, nigga, that's what I'm talking about. It ain't no thug in you, nigga, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I got love for my fans, that's what I'm talking about. And I be stacking them bands, that's what I'm talking about. They gave my partner 90 months, that's what I'm talking about. Just for rolling up a blunt, that's what I'm talking about. They be treating you like shit, that's what I'm talking about. Man, they'll find you in a ditch, that's what I'm talking about. Cell phone in your face, that's what I'm talking about. Stay away from the case, that's what I'm talking about. And I got money to make, that's what I'm talking about. Man, F the cricket DA, that's what I'm talking about. 20 grand in the safe, that's what I'm talking about. Cold still on his waist, that's what I'm talking about. And I'll never let them worry you. Catch a disaster for fact before they bury you. Cell phone in your face, that's what I'm talking about. Stay away from the case, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I got money to make, that's what I'm talking about. Man, fuck the cricket DA, that's what I'm talking about. Don't have no love for you niggas, that's what I'm talking about. It ain't no thug in you niggas, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I got love for my fans, that's what I'm talking about. And I be stacking them bands, that's what I'm talking about. Ain't no love in the streets, that's what I'm talking about. You better be packing the heat, that's what I'm talking about. A nigga caught me on the hill, that's what I'm talking about. Posted on the battlefield, that's what I'm talking about. It ain't no love in you nigga, that's what I'm talking about. It ain't no thug in you nigga, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I got love for my fans, that's what I'm talking about. And I be stacking them bands, that's what I'm talking about. And I be getting that dough, that's what I'm talking about. But I ain't did one show, that's what I'm talking about. They told my ass something coming, that's what I'm talking about. They said it was fame and money, that's what I'm talking about. Cell phone in your face, that's what I'm talking about. Stay away from the case, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I got money to make, that's what I'm talking about. Man, fuck the cricket DA, that's what I'm talking about. Don't have no love for you niggas, that's what I'm talking about. It ain't no thug in you niggas, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, I got love for my fans, that's what I'm talking about. And I be stacking them bands, that's what I'm talking about. Cellphone, Drizzy Dre, wow. I had to give it to them. No, come on. We done stayed up all night having a good time. Ladies, put your alcohol down. I'm tired of smelling wine. Yeah, cause it's back to the Bucks. Move to new faces, forget it, pack it up. I've been sitting here too long for like goodness to pass by. Been smelling it all day. My eyes is burnt fire. Your eyes is burnt fire. My eyes is burnt fire. I'm talking about red lights and my tears is bone dry. Shoot out with me, I got guns with the holsters. Ride with me, boo, I'm talking car with the chauffeurs. No loud talking, so I mean no smokers. Me, you, always accomplished. I am ballin', bump this. I mean, she's so sick, she put the F on her feet. She put the A up in ass because the style is neat. She put the S up in surprise, she put the P up in pie. She put the T up in titties, she put the E up in eyes. And it's one thing about Cellphone Shawty, I'm a real soldier. She too drunk, can't hold her liquor, and I get that girl a cup holder.
I'm addicted to naked pictures and sitting talking about bitches that we almost had. I don't think I'm conscious of making monsters out of the women I'm sponsored to. Let it all go bad. We do a party, yeah, we do a party. Bitches came over, yeah, we do a party. I was just calling, cause they were just leaving. Talk to me, please don't have to believe it. I need you right now. Down and listen to me. Too many drinks have been given to me. I got some way to live it on me. Pay for this place, that you know them, I won't say no names. After a while, I'll say the name. I've had several times this week, I'll explain. Having a hard time just to fame. Right in that mix.
Right there. You got the TV showing you that
Happy that you picked up. Lucky that you stayed on.
$5. I got that lit the Barry White shit. I ain't go out there and do out rap shit. I was just, doing the songs that I do.
You're not gonna come? Yeah, oh yeah. I'm about to kick your just throw it while I hold your hurt back. A white friend said you niggas crazy. I hope no one heard that. Hey, I hope no one heard that. Cause if it did, it's gonna be some trouble. Trouble. Some trouble. Some trouble. From having a heart to being heartless, yeah. I'm from having a heart to being heartless, yeah. Swag, 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 swag. 8 in his pocket and 10 in his wallet, oh. 8 in his pocket and 10 in his wallet, oh. The dope gets sold. Trap, profit. The dope gets sold. Trap, profit. The dope gets sold. Trap, profit. The dope get, the dope get, the dope gets sold. Trap, profit. The dope gets sold. Trap, profit. The dope gets sold. Trap, profit. The dope get, the dope get. It ain't no limit, shout it, rap it, silly, go and sell it. It ain't no limit, man, perk, push, go and inhale it. It ain't no limit to the money, man, I go and get it. Sunday, I'm your bootleg, just spend your money, pimpin'. 20 West with the work, yup, I'm a fool. Law pack in the car, no carpool. The dope gets sold. 20 East profit. Trap gain anonymous. How you gon' stop it? Rapper compressor and steal it. Woo! 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 Old school ride shouting with the Smith and Wesson cushion. My cross of 4D ride dog is out the question. The dope gets sold. Trap profit. The dope gets sold. Trap profit. The dope gets sold. Trap profit. The dope get. The dope get. The dope gets sold. Trap profit. The dope gets sold. Trap profit. The dope gets sold. Trap profit. The dope get. The dope get.
See, you's a knucklehead. That's what that reaper says. Like 5 minutes late on nights, marinating off in my head. Knucklehead, yeah, he strategized how to get this bread, and you can set it coat. See, that reaper is what I instead. These niggas slipping, selling all of these skimpy blunts with them stems and seeds. You won't find that in my weed. Cause it fear factor, and we gon' die till all these rookies out here being slackers. I got smart and did some research on my product. They taught me how to sell it, that's the way that I was brought up. Ain't any other time I bust a lick, I'm in the zone. I even got some time to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, nigga. Good.
The dope gets sold. Trap profit. The dope gets sold. Trap profit. The dope gets sold. Trap profit. The dope get. The dope get. The dope gets sold. Trap profit. The dope gets sold. Trap profit. The dope gets sold. Trap profit. The dope get. The dope get.
Sister Leah, she learning this shit like I know. She That's some information. Even look, you got everything assumed right now by a car company. They got a car company.
We taking over, we taking over, we taking over, we taking over. I took her home with me, let her get grown with me, and then she will see that I ain't playing. She like romantic shit, she need the candles lit, and when I come on it, I'm taking over. I like to count the cash, she like to count it too. She like to drink with me, I like to drink with you. We taking over, 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 we taking over. Now I can smell you bad breathing, shout just that's my people. I only fuck with bad bitches, aka ball divas. Now I'm talking to the chick that I remember from my site. I asked her what her name was and she said last night. Now Shawty spit her game, but it was boring. I put her on a pill, now she's on it. And her friends got jello boo, but no, they don't impress me. Cause every time you look around, they never had no money. I asked them if they need some help, then they can holler at me. I throw they as a bum and see how fast they get the cheese. They asked me what my name was, I said, Mr. Go and get him. First name Cellphone, last name Text. I took her home with me, let her get grown with me, and then you will see that I ain't playing. They asked me what my name was, I said, Mr. Go and get him. First name Cellphone, last name Text. I took her home with me, let her get grown with me, and then she will see that I ain't playing. She like romantic shit, she need the candles lit, and when I come on it, I'm taking over. I like to count the cash, she like to count it too. She like to drink with me, I like to drink with you. We taking over, 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 we taking over.
Lil' mama, she never sloppy, addicted to making profit. She want me, I seen her jocking, I told her let's get it poppin'. And I make you watching my partner, G, we gon' pop 'em. I ain't stressing for nothing, but trying to get into something. She ready, I laid it heavy. Mama strong got spaghetti, she in Ocean Way County. Lil' mama reppin' the city, she wasted, I beat it sober. Told her to flip it over, she said some man said it's over. Ocean Way taking over.
Light skin, brown skin, yellow mama, super thick. Summer clothes on, yeah, she thinking that she the shit. Pretty ass feet with the sounds on without the kid. AKA Lil Boosie, yeah, that is a bad bitch. I took her home with me, let her get grown with me, and then she will see that I ain't playing. She like romantic shit, she need the candles lit, and when I come on it, I'm taking over. I like to count the cash, she like to count it too. She like to drink with me, I like to drink with you. We taking over, 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 we taking over. Yeah, you can tell how she talk, that she don't fool with lame, man. Attitude for shiny and short, like 7-2 fame, man. That sexy brown body, it remind you of a swisher. Once you roll her up, you gon' wanna look her. I'm your 24-hour man to all your emergencies. So call me when your body, so Mr. Massage Therapy. Real with you, little mama, I wanna roll them thighs. You got some pretty brown golden waffle hash brown eyes. So what you think a boo out and I already thought. Or what you drink a boo out and I already bought. I see you in the mirror putting your eyeline on it. Some call me Celly, baby, some call me Cellphone. Took her home with me, let her get grown with me, and then she will see that I ain't playing. She like romantic shit, she need a candle lit. So when I come on it, I'm taking over. I took her home with me, let her get grown with me, and then she will see that I ain't playing. She like romantic shit, she need a candle lit, and when I come on it, I'm taking over. I like to count the cash, she like to count it too. She like to drink with me, I like to drink with you. We taking over, 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 we taking over.
More than shit. Exactly what I'm trying to tell you. I ain't got all these tattoos on me from nothing.
Yeah. Hey man, I just gotta tell you something, dog. Y'all don't see how those girls over there walking, man? Oh, sick of them, man. I'm talking about we. You know what I'm saying? Skip it, dog. They gonna get right to the point, man. I started off with a shot of gin, ended up with a flip of goose. She drank Patron, she wearing thong, got Cellphone Shawty, getting loose. This right here, I'm spitting. Playboy, this ain't nothing. I started the race with pecans, I finished the race with pumpkins. My baby boy out of five, so I talk with much energy. A grown man, my decision. How I move, it's infinity. Every day I'm on the grind. I'm too busy to waste time. She said the only thing on her mind, little mama, you know you lying. Shawty super thick, and no, she ain't working. Office max ass like she working the office. And when it comes to 9 to 5, you know that you get laid off. The boys hit me up, they got a problem with the salt off. Shawty super thick, and no, she ain't working.
Office max ass like she working the office.
Shawty super thick, and no, she ain't working.
Office max ass like she working the office.
She 5'5", she 5'6", she 5'7", she 5'6", she 5'8", she 5'9", she super bad, she super fine. Now if I wanted to cut her, guaranteed I'm a buster. She rolled me like a whip, so I smoked her like a muffler. They drive me like a lame, better yet, like I'm stupid. Knowing I know the ladies, and baby, y'all be some goofies. Lil' mama getting heated, how she back up that compressor. Alcohol is in the air, now suckers getting aggressive. I'm posted on my own time, relaxed in my own mind. Resort by the beach, got me looking at the sunshine. Headed to the roof where I can see the sunset. No, I need a massage, so who coming to give it? Polo on my swimming trunks, I'm kicking it with the cool boy. Waves on deck, but I'm wildin' like a rude boy. Parties don't end, girls like damn, are you for real? Got me Marvel Hero coming, Gotham City, Batmobile. Shawty super thick, and all she ain't walking.
Office max ass like she working the office.
Shawty super thick, and all she ain't walking.
Office max ass like she working the office.
I got 2 on. You don't even know ahead of time. You just gotta.
Baby, you the one, baby, you the one, baby, you the winner, baby, you the winner, baby, you the
Swagged out with my brooch because I'm so handsome. Kidnap me if you want, that's a big ransom. Call me clear liquor, cause that's all I drink. Call me open mind, cause that's how I think. Swagged out with my brooch because I'm so handsome. Kidnap me if you want, that's a big ransom. Call me clear liquor, cause that's all I drink. Call me open mind, cause that's how I think. Swagged out with my approach because I'm so handsome. Kidnap me if you want, that's a big ransom. Call me clear liquor, cause that's all I drink. Call me open mind, cause that's how I think. You can catch my swag floating, just like a frisbee. Hanging in the bushes, call me Big Bad Grizzly. Hanging out with the killers, yep, dog, that's what I say. Kidnap me if you want, and you got hell to pay. Several moves that I make, but really I don't give a up. They call me Raphael, the way your boy worked the nunchucks. The Leonardo money got me working with the sword and the Donatello sticks. Got me cutting up your pores. Swagged out with my approach because I'm so handsome. Kidnap me if you want, that's a big ransom. Call me clear liquor, cause that's all I drink. Call me open mind, cause that's how I think. Swagged out with my approach because I'm so handsome. Kidnap me if you want, that's a big ransom. Call me clear liquor, cause that's all I drink. Call me open mind, cause that's how I think. Yeah, that boy Cellphone there. You know what I'm saying? Now we finna cruise through the city. Hey, cruising through the city, cruising through the city, cruising through the city, cruising through the city, like cruising through the city, cruising through the city, cruising through the city, cruising through the city, like cruising through the city, cruising through the city, cruising through the city, cruising through the city, like cruising through the city, cruising through the city, cruising through the city. Hey. Cruising through the city of Atlanta, bumping that dub, deuces, mind and motivation. How I kick it so I get loose. They jealous of my talent, so they sit back and they more me. Talk to a shot before you try to double judge me. I know you love your city, so you can go ahead and stunt or quit acting bulletproof in front of your homeboys. I'm trying to put you up on knowledge, but you ain't listening. You wonder why times get hard on your benches. You think the man the boy you still living, do you feel me? You better off sticking to yourself and earning quality. Just think the man the boy you still living, is you feeling me? You better off sticking to yourself and earning quality. Cruising through the city, cruising through the city, cruising through the city, cruising through the city, like through the city, cruising through the city, cruising through the city, cruising through the city like young chief fat so exposed to this. Y'all niggas so old to this. When it comes to rapping and trapping player, I go get it. That late night movie goes when you're 350. I see visions of me rolling with my squad in 3 Bentleys. Homie try to flex and bought a whip for 2 G's. So soup that thing up and down and call them 2 keys. And speaking of 2 keys, I got homies that move bees, chopping down to his all bees to move along with the X. We discussed it loud when he got red. I'm like, what is this? Got 2 words for you. Officer Cookie bitch. Now homie tried to take my money, I sold him the whole back. Gave his ass some slugs in the chest and told him to fold that. Believe me, cause I put you to the test. I seen so much weightlifting, they ain't talking about bench press. How much you maxing out, man? No, you got the wrong guy. He won't do a push-up, but he will push a pop. Cruising through the city, cruising through the city, cruising through the city, cruising through the city, like cruising through the city, cruising through the city, cruising through the city, cruising through the city, like cruising through the city, cruising through the city, cruising through the city, cruising through the city, like cruising through the city, cruising through the city, cruising through the city. Hey. You know what I'm saying? The Cellphone Shawty. And I'm gonna give y'all something to let you know that we can do whatever we want and do what we please. You know what I'm saying? It's just straight up. You got to feel me on this. Hey, check this out. This is for all of my haters. Hating on me with no flavor. This is for all of them that sloppy. You freeloading, made it a hobby. This is for people that died of me. This is for all of my enemies. This is for this is for sure right. This is for all of my sexy ladies. You wanna party? Well then, baby, let's play. This is for all of my gorgeous dames. You get your money and you don't do lames. This is for all of my D-boys, the cartel movers with the metal toy. This is for all of my riders. We stand tall, some like empires. Faithful and no retired. And when it comes to stench, ain't no expire. Now this is for this is for show you right. This is for this is for show you right. This is for this is for show you right. This is for this is for show you right.
My mission is to come and do the part that is something to do.
I want to run that song, man. Run that
song. Motherfucking Sally, baby. Motherfucker. Now let me whisper something in your ear. Sitting here for facts. Who don't need a rider when I can transport you, baby? I can be your empire. I can do the Kanye West and take it straight to the wire. And in many years to come, and I will not inspire. Faithful as I am, faithful as I get. Plenty people with their jealousy and all, they won't quit. I'm down with my little rider, but you ain't seen them signs. We be whipping through that if you ain't seen us, you're blind. With a sweet sense of humor and your style is unique. Plus I love the way you smell, we call it Texas heat. With a sweet sense of humor and your style is unique. Plus I love the way you smell, call it Texas heat. She be all up over me. Yeah, she know who this beat serves at the apple
One that she called by 3 nuts. Different color women, man. I'm talking mismatch. I got a brown breezy, same color as a Kit Kat. I got knots in my pocket, I'm talking cash. Baby got lumps in the skirt, I'm talking ass. Lay her down nicely, you know I had that poker. Slowly grinding in the shower, singing them vocals. Hop up in the shower, give me about an hour. Beat that cat down, cause the D got the power. Hop up in the shower, give me about an hour. Beat that cat down, cause the D got the power. She all up over me. Yeah, she know who to beat, third letter in the alphabet. Settle it, baby. How about let's go out with grown folk and tall girl. Me and you, let's take a walk with grown folk and tall girl. Me and you, let's take a trip with grown folk and tall girl. Me and you, we switching whip with grown folk and tall girl. I'm at the dollar store, flirting with a dollar. Oh, she asked me that I need some help. I told her I don't think so. I like your conversation, me and my partner, we got everything you need, girl, from clothes to mascot. I put the D in grinding, I put the B in ballin'. You put the F in flexing, you put the S in stalling. I like your conversation, but I forgot to mention, you can't be working on my wrist, I put the K up in kitchen. Whoa, 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 ah, whoa, 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 ah, whoa, 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 ah, whoa, whoa, sell it, baby. Now let me, now let me, now let me, now let me, now let me whisper something in your ear. How about let's go out with grown folk and tall girl. Me and you, let's take a walk with grown folk and tall girl. Me and you, let's take a trip with grown folk and tall girl. Me and you, we switching whips with grown folk and tall girl.
And then now you doing
What's due? What it do? What it do? 12 months, dog. Come on. January, February, March, April, May, June. All right. July came in. It's a new moon. August, September, October, November. They go to snow clouds. May I answer the deuce? She was born up in December. All right. Shorty look like a rat. I call her Master Splinter. You call her what? I call her Master Splinter. Hey man. Beat by destruction, you never seen it coming. Faith in the Lord hands, you never seen me running. Be careful who you are with, cause hyenas you can't trust. Nope. Walk with the prophet so you be living for something. I slow it down for you, shorty. You gon' remember me. I dumb down for you 1,000 times. You always thought that dub deep. Ain't nothing you can say to harm me. Ain't nothing you can say to destroy us. It's Cellphone Shawty, that Lord miracle. Yes indeed, we platinum plus. Everything I spit is fact. It's non-fiction. Pay attention to my goals. Reach out and go and get it. I'm all that you believe in. I'm all that you conceded. Haters, they couldn't stop it. I'm launching just like a rocket. Yeah, these girls like me. Half of them are crazy. Knowing they want my kids, but I ain't rushing no babies. If 4-wheel drive on the road that I walk on. You texting me, shouting like my name ain't Cellphone. January, February, March, April, May, June. July came in. It's a new moon. August, September, October, November. They go to snow clouds. May I enter the deuce? He was born up in December. Shorty look like a rat. I call her Master Splinter. You call her what? I call her Master Splinter. You hear who? I call her Master Splinter. Yeah, 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 yeah. Went from having a heart to being heartless, yeah, yeah. I went from having a heart to being heartless, yeah.
And in your
Hey!
you have to make it seem like it don't really exist. That's how could give me.
Put this thing together.
So much.
You can't see a nigga. Look at your style. Now look at me. Look at your style. Now look at me. Hey, I'm self-made. So fuck a nigga. I'm self-made. You a sucker nigga. Look at your style. Now look at me. Look at your style. Now look at me. These motherfuckers mad. Fuck a nigga. These motherfuckers mad. You a sucker nigga.
First off, what you did was some weak ass shit. And the girl that you be kissing, she be sucking my dick. I thought you was my partner, better yet my nigga. Come to find out you ain't nothing but a squiller. A squiller, you ain't nothing but a pig. Need to be working for the law since you wanna tell some shit. Like you the only one driving. Nigga, you ain't driving. Look at you now, you taxi cab riding. For one, you're scary. For two, you ain't got no hoes. For three, you're broke. For four, you ain't got no clothes. So it's all good, homie, what you say about me. I'm just gonna treat it like the dead and let it rest in peace. So they say you got a temper, nigga, I got a temper. Slang your ass in the bushes, let them sucker feel the splinters. Dug down, getting over, we ain't gonna retire my nigga. A couple homie out of line, I had to buy some niggas. Woo!
Look at your style. Now look at me. Look at your style. Now look at me. I'm self-made. So fuck a nigga. I'm self-made. You a sucker nigga. Look at your style. Now look at me. Look at your style. Now look at me. These motherfuckers mad. Fuck a nigga. These motherfuckers mad. You a sucker nigga.
And don't act like you been rapping cause you ain't. And don't act like you been trapping cause you can't. Don't worry about it, dog. I got it all in the books. You's a mama boy pussy, you can barely cook. And I ain't never seen this nigga work his wrist. And I ain't never seen this nigga make a bitch. And I don't have to talk sideways. Ask me who I'm talking about, I tell you to your damn face. You little bitch, you ain't got no dope. So quit asking me for shit like a nigga you hoe. Why you fucking all these studs and these hoes playing dicky just don't know, believe it or not, you fucking other nigga bitch. You ain't got no game, everybody know you lame. What kind of shit is that? You doing the same old thing. What you supposed to be swole? Something like advice. Niggas like you the reason I went and got my gun license.
Look at your style. Now look at me. Look at your style. Now look at me. I'm self-made. So fuck a nigga. I'm self-made. You a sucker nigga. Look at your style. Now look at me. Look at your style. Now look at me. These motherfuckers mad. Fuck a nigga. These motherfuckers mad. You a sucker nigga.
Yo, T, I wasn't gonna sit here and let you get caught lacking on the chain on your neck like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna get one of them chain you got right there. The one your old lady got you right there. I love that motherfucker right there. That bitch is so beautiful.
Well, you see the other ones I got. Yeah.
Shall we continue to make history?
I got stupid chain. And I mean them bitches stupid. I'm looking for my AI.